Hi, I'm Cesar. In 2011, I co-founded a company called CSI Absolute Clean, where we specialize in restoring tile, natural stone surfaces in homes, businesses, and properties of all sizes. And that's where all of this started. We usually get called in after the damage is already done, when a customer realizes that their floors are dull, their countertops are stained, or their tiles just don't look the way that they used to. And almost every time I hear the same thing. I wish somebody had told me this sooner. And that's exactly why I created a clean story. A clean story isn't just a product line. It's not just a consultation service. It's a response to real world problems I've seen firsthand day in and day out with homeowners, designers, and property managers. While CSI Absolute Clean steps in after things go wrong, a clean story was built to help you avoid those problems in the first place. This isn't a top down theory made in a lab. This is the result of listening to hundreds of frustrated homeowners seeing costly mistakes and reverse engineering what went wrong, from the grout to the cedar to the material itself. So, whether you're selecting tile for your new home, wondering if you need to seal your marble, or trying to figure out why your floor keeps looking dirty, this is for you. We've taken all that experience and turned it into something proactive, a service that helps you understand what you're buying, how to care for it, and how to preserve its value for years to come. At A Clean Story, we offer annual walkthroughs of your home. We help you create a simple, customized plan for care and maintenance based on how you live, what surfaces you have, and what your priorities are. Instead of being hit with a surprise $4,000 to $10,000 repair down the line, you're staying ahead of the curve with real insight and real savings. Because this isn't just about cleaning, it's about protecting your investment, avoiding headaches, and keeping your home looking its best. And to the designers, architects, and builders watching, know that I'm here to complement your process, not compete with it. I'm not here to say what to not choose, what to choose. I'm here to offer clarity around what comes after the choice is made so that together we can give your client the full picture: beauty, function, and long term satisfaction. Let's stop reacting to problems and start preventing them together. If you want to learn more, check out videos on A Clean Story YouTube channel. They're packed with real examples, helpful explanations, and the kind of guidance that most people wish that they had before something went wrong. And if you'd like to connect with me directly, whether by phone, email, or referral, my contact information is always available through the links provided. I'm Cesar Reyes, and I hope that you'll consider me a trusted partner of your team.